a jar is fixed with two non-mixing liquids, 1 and 2, having densities ρ1 and ρ2, right? These are ρ1 and this is ρ2. A solid ball which is made of a material ρ3 is dropped in the jar. Here we have dropped, and it comes to an equilibrium in the position shown in the figure, right? It comes to an equilibrium over here. Which of the following is true for ρ1, ρ2? This is basically ρ2, ρ1, ρ2 and ρ3, right? Now ρ2, obviously from this diagram we can say that ρ2 is greater than ρ1, because we know that a liquid having more density will go to the bottom, right? ρ2 is greater than ρ1. Now if we see the options, over here ρ2 is greater than ρ1, over here ρ2 is greater than ρ1, over here ρ2 is less than ρ1. That means option B is absolutely wrong. It is saying ρ2 is greater than ρ1. That means B we can eliminate. Now what about ρ3? ρ3 is at the interface. That means it is at the bottom of liquid ρ1. That means ρ3 is greater than ρ1. But this solid ball is floating over ρ2. That means ρ2 is having a higher density as compared to 3. Right? So that means this is correct. That means option D is correct. So this was a very basic and a very, simple question which came in 2008. So, generally we can see, as I've already told you many times, that the kind of questions that are being asked in AIEEE are of very easy nature, right? So you just need the basic concepts right, and you will be able to solve it properly.